Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2019 Ram Promaster City equipped with the Sunset Vans rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. We will first open up the doors. You can then use this lever here to unlatch the ramp and bring it straight down. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. In the back you will have the wheelchair user. And in the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this van here only has 82,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this one here has 82,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.